Okay, so we have officially started this match. And okay, interesting picks here from the blue side. Hindi pa natin makita ang picks ng red side. So okay, sige. We'll see. If you know. Okay. So, mukhang ayaw mag-MM. Okay, yan na MM, si Hanabi. Okay. Maghintay lang tayo. 3 lanes. Okay, 3 lanes tayo. 3 lanes. Okay, so okay. From the red side, Hanabi, Argus, and Tigreal versus Guinevere, Layla, and Aurora. Okay, so mukhang gusto ng ating mga kasama na mid lane only at mukhang naglalag nga dito si Gabi. Okay. So the Hanabi, Gabi is using Hanabi, Jade is using Argus, Laurelyn is using Tigreal, Amaya is using Guinevere, Daini is using Layla, while Sandwich is using Aurora. Alright. Alright. Mid lane only daw po tayo. Mid lane only. Okay, so naglalag nga si Gabo. Pupunta ng XP lane si Jade. At si grabe. Okay. Interesting choice. Sabi ko mid lane only, pero ayan nga po. Sabi na nga ba't hindi masusunod to? Okay, Gabi 1v2 here in the middle lane. Nagagawa na XP si Daini tsaka si Sandwich. Kaya yan, hindi kagad sila nag level 2. Meanwhile, level 2 na dito si Jade. Pinapalaga na nga niya dito si Abaye. Oh, wrong. Namali siya doon ng dash. Now, Daini going bottom lane in the gold lane. Okay, let's just update. Kasi, ayan na si Gabi, papunta na siya ng bot lane at nakuha na nga nila ang mga boots nila. Okay, Gabi here defending the bottom lane turret. And Laurelyn already level 3, habang si Sandwich is still level 2. Okay, sige. 1v1 here up top. First blood goes to Jade with the Argus against Amaya. 1-0 here. Okay, let's go back. So, may turtle na mag-i-spawn na walang kukuha, of course. Grabe, Laurelyn here, very low. Pero palag, sabi nga nila. At ganoon din naman dito sa bottom lane. Daini, repelling. Gabi here. 2 friends. Really close friends. Lugi dito ang red side. Kasi may roamer ang blue side. Or, should I say, Team Jade versus Team Amaya. Team Jade, may roamer sila in Laurelyn. So, ang kinuha pa din Laurelyn is Conceal. So, there is a chance for Conceal plays. Yan nga, Gabi, very low. Pero dito, tower dive by Laurelyn. Ulti by Ate Bibi. Okay. Petrify. Baka mamamatay mo si Laurelyn. Hindi pa. Buhay pa. There you go. Kill by Ate Bibi. by Sandrich. First kill for Team Amaya. While here, Jade with the Argus going absolutely ballistic here. 0-2. Okay, Amaya now is defending. Level 6 na si Jade. Okay. Okay, so mid lane only. Makikita nga natin kung ano mangyayari dito. Frozen na naman si Loreline. Oh, actually, mas marami siyang gold kay Gabi, which is should not happen. Kasi dapat mas marami siyang gold para gumana. At dahil naglalag and she just sacrificed herself. Now there's the corrosion site bought by Gabi. May corrosion site na siya. Also, Argus with the corrosion site. Ngayon na kami nagtulungan dito sa Ate Bibi. The frigid glacier has been popped. Mampiprise pa ka dito si Jade, pero mabubuhay pa rin. And Ate Bibi lives on. Rapid boots here bought by Gabi. Alright, 1v1 sila ng Diny. Wala, sa buff lang tayo, walang ka-invade. So this is fair game. At may Windtalker na nga dito si Diny. Meron na rin Sky Piercer si Sandrich. Okay, at magdo-dominance ice dito si ano. Okay, mukhang mabumburstall nga dito si Gabi. But no. Okay, oh, revenge by Amaya. Hindi natin nakita yon. He's able to kill the Argus there. Nice kill. Shutting him down. Now, meron ng Dominance Ice si Loreline. Dominance Ice against the Queen of Ice. Well, dito naman sa bot lane, tamang ano lang dito si Gabi. Okay, so currently wala pang nangyayaring mga labanan dito. Okay, there's Jade versus Amaya. The two team captains, both XP lane. Oh, yan na kayo set! Walang ulti. Or hindi lang inulti. And there's a solo kill by Gabi on the bottom side. Taking down Dane once more. 4-2 na ang score. Okay. Now, Loreline back on the mid lane to defend the tower. Okay. Sige. Nagana yung life bane. Oh! Okay. Ayos yung mga tama nun kay Gabi. Ganda ng mga tama. But now, Dane is in the mid lane. Oh! Ayan na nga po! Oh, hindi sinetaan talaga. Ayaw talaga sumit. Ayan na! Amaya gets killed! Dahil dun sa hesitation niya sa pagsiset sa Argus. But he did that kasi alam niya na na mamamatay rin siya. And there you go! Another kill by Sandrich. Another death on Loreline. Alright, the bottom lane turret has officially been destroyed. Ngayon, lilipat naman si Sandrich dito sa bottom lane. 2k gold lead here para sa Team Jade. And looking at the items, Rose Gold Meteor para kay Hanabi. Meanwhile, Windtalker naman para kay Argus. Okay, another kill! Tower dive! Grabe, hindi gumagana yung pagsi-switch up ng lanes dito ng Team Amaya. Because an Argus, if there is an enemy Argus, you as a marksman should not be in a lane with him. Okay? Amaya now alone. All alone. Pwede niya i-clear dito yung minions. Okay, there's the clear. Now, Loreline now defending. Na-cancel yung recall ni Amaya. Kaya yan, poke-poke lang muna gamit ang kanyang first kill. Okay, sige. Wala pa tayo nakikita action uli. Pag may action, lagi natin na-skip and looking at the gold graph. Mas marami talaga ang blue side. And the XP graph, blue side pa rin talaga nagwawagi. Walang ka-invade ng buff. Okay. So, Jade has officially... Now, okay, Bayahas close na. Si Daini. But meron na ring Haas close. Meron na ring... No, wala pa. Meron na ang glowing wand. Si. Okay, glowing wand si Ate Bibi. While, now, okay, there's the Haas close. Tatlo na. Deplang. There's the set that we're looking for, but now, meron pa lang ulti. Ayan na, sumugod na naman mag-isa. Solo kill. Okay, grabe talaga yung first skill ng isang Aurora. Napakasakit. Okay, the dive, and there you go, the kill. Wala nang kwenta yung Frigid Glacier. Okay. So, Gabi here with the big gold advantage against Dane. Okay. Anti-Kiras now bought by Laureline. May si Halberd na rin pala si Gabi. So, mukhang mapupush na nga dito ang mid lane turret. Yes, push. Okay, naghihintay lang tayo ng konti pang action. Ang win condition talaga dito ng Team Amaya is if Amaya can get at least 2 of them in a set na may kasama siya. Uulti na lang si Ate Bibi tapos free hit si Dane. Ate Bibi is sandwich, okay? Just saying, if you don't know, Frigid Glacier! Patay na! There is it! 2 guys down! At mukhang hindi pa nga namatay si Gabi! Living on just 1 hit! Oh my God! Grabe naman yun, pero Laureline has been killed by Amaya, presumably. And now looking at that. Okay, Amaya now defending here. The mid lane turret again. Okay. Jade doing really good now. May Berserker's Fury na siya. 4 na ang kanyang items. Amaya here going up against Jade. Na-cancel. Out na siya. Pero sabi ni Jade, out ka nga, pero hindi kita papaalisin. Tower dive with the ult to make the successful kill. So, kailangan na talaga dito mag-farm ni Daini. That is it. Kasi yung skill din, kasi yung ni Laureline kasi ay Petrify, which is not the best. Okay? Oh my God, the freeze! Now, Gabi naglalag, sumugod na lang! Ayan na, buhay na siya. Oh my God, wala na siyang... Okay. Wala na siyang... Rose Gold Meteor, ayan na! Matake na ka, nag-Wind Talker ay magic damage yan! Bakit ka nag-Wind Talker? There's the kill! By Dane! Now the set by Laureline to take down Dane. Okay, Amaya here, just, okay. 12 minutes have passed in this match. And now, Team Jade has a 5k gold lead against Team Amaya. Okay. Now, it's a 3v3 once more. Nabuhay na yung mga members. Grabe, may Great Dragon Spear pa si Argus. Radiant Armor for Guinevere, Berserker's Fury for Layla, and Blood Wings added to the arsenal of Ate Bibib now. Anti-Kuras Bot by Loreline. Oh! Sayang yung set! Mintis! Ayan na si Gabi! O, nabakapan niya na rin si Jade! Susugod na! Okay, there's the freeze! Hindi sila masusugod! Daini! Ang gusto ni Jade! Ay, si Ate Bibi ang patayin! Gabi down! There's the double kill! Daini's down! Loreline able to get out! Paalis na! But no! Oh! Shut down! Kill! What an outplay by Amaya! Second death of the game! From Jade! Ayan na yung brute force breastplate! Bought by Amaya! But still, the gold lead is still 3.7k! Hindi mo mababawi yun ng ganun-ganun lang. Okay? Andito na yung si Daini and Sandwich. Amaya here, nandito lang. Kinukuha lang yung Lito Wanderer. Just minding his business. Joke lang. Joke lang daw. Sabi niya ay Loreline. Loreline. Grabe yung glowing one passive. Okay, tatlo sila dito sa blue buff. Okay. Now Ate Bibi gets the blue buff. Now Gabi here, di pa siya full build. He's working on his last item. Okay, Amaya hesitates to attack. Kailangan niya uling magawa yan. He needs to outplay Jade. But that's hard. Kasi yung Argus nga, sinabi natin, yung ulti niya may immortality. Pero ngayon, malayo si Jade. Pwede niyang sitan. Pero wala. Hindi muna papalag kasi masyado malayo si Daini. Naghihintay lang tayo. Ayan na! Amaya! Mukhang siya pa masesitan! But there's the freeze! Oh! Gabi down! Gabi's down for 40 seconds! Ayan na nga! Ang ganti ng mga... I don't know? Ng mga lamang! Hindi kasi siya ganti ng mga api. Kasi lamang sila kanina pa. Right? Okay, 2v3. No sets made. Just yet. May concentrated energy na si Amaya. Full build na siya. Full build na rin ang ating dalawa pang mga ano. Okay? Blade of Despair for the Argos! The set. Pero ayan nga, mahuhuli dito. Ang nasitan ay yung clone. Pero makakatakbo pa ba si Amaya? Ngayong hinahabol na siya. Yes, makakatakbo pa ka. Ayan na. Oh! One tap. Amaya's down. Bayan na pangit na ringtone. Alright. Let's go back. Sandwich! The only one left to defend against 3. Pero buhay na dito si Daini. The mid lane turret has been destroyed. Hindi magdadive. Play safe daw muna. Play safe muna. Hindi pa full build si Tigreal. Okay, mabubuhay na dito si Daini. Parating na mga minions, okay? Grabe si Jade! Inaabangan talaga! Grabe! On the fountain! Patay na! Pero Jade will be killed in exchange. And now Loreline might also be killed. Bot lane is suffering. Okay, the bot lane turret has been destroyed, but Amaya has been killed by Gabi. Okay, so naghahanap pa nga tayo ng isa dito para maging 4v4. Okay, buhay na si Daini, buhay na rin si Ate Bibi, buhay na rin si Jade. Si Amaya na lang talaga ang ating hinihintay para maging 3v3 na naman to. This has been a actually close game. How? I don't know. Pero I'm sure na kailangan i-defend ng Team Jade ang bot lane kung ayaw nila silang matalo ng mga minions. Or dahil sa minions. Wind of Nature by Amaya and by Dane. That doesn't work. You want to know why? Because mas mahaba duration ng Wind of Nature sa mga marksman kesa sa ibang role. Sino masyado silang mahina sa damage, I guess. Ay mahina sa ang survivability nila. Okay, joke lang. But look at the bot lane. Somebody has to defend the bot lane. And who will it be? Sino ang magde-defend? But before we talk about that, I said, oh boss, and Team Jade! What an outplay, and the minions will start pushing. And it is over for Team Jade. Team Amaya, comeback is real na naman para kay Amaya. Wow! What a game! What a set by Amaya at the end of the game! That's it for game 1. Game 2 naman ang sunod.